Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Mini Cooper mirror caps. First, gather your tools, including a plastic trim removal tool and a soft cloth to protect your paint. Make sure you have a clear workspace. Understanding the clip mechanism before you start will make the process much smoother and prevent accidental damage. This preparation is key for a successful removal. The first step is to carefully detach the mirror glass. Adjust the mirror to its innermost position, creating a gap. Then, gently use your trim tool to pry the glass away from the housing. Once it's loose, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors for heating or power adjustments. Take your time to avoid breaking the glass or wires. Now, with the mirror glass removed, you can access the retaining clips holding the mirror cap. Look for several clips around the edge of the housing. Use your plastic trim tool to carefully release each clip one by one. Once all clips are disengaged, pull the mirror cap straight off the housing. Avoid twisting to prevent damage. To reinstall, simply align the new cap with the housing and press firmly until it clicks securely into place. Reconnect any electrical wires, then carefully reattach the mirror glass, ensuring it's seated properly. Test the mirror's movement and functionality. For more helpful tips and to find great deals, including on the new Kindle Paperwhite, check out the links in the description below. We often have exclusive offers there just for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.